Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the processing of oil seed that is under AE 4202 FT Processing Engineering 2 and Unit 3. So let's get started. Before discussing about the oil seed, we'll little discuss about oil and fat requirement per person and mm, the oil and fat requirement per person per day around 35 gram for vegetarian and 39 gram for non-vegetarian and 38 gram for a balanced diet person. Okay, oil seed are those seed from which we are extract oil. Okay, mainly oil are consumer oil are vegetable oil. These are groundnut, rapeseed, mustard, linseed, sesame, and castor. Okay. Uh, the natural flavor and odor of oil are due to the presence of non-fatty matter. Okay. There are two types of acid. One is non-fatty acid and another is fatty acid. The function of fatty acid whenever we are fasting, our tissue required energy. The energy we are getting from fatty acid, and the function of non-fatty acid reduce bad cholesterol, increase good cholesterol, and control blood sugar. Okay, and the color generally present in oil seed are due to carotenoid, and natural value is of nutritional value of fatty acid of oil seed are fatty acid, vitamin A, D, K. Okay, and come to the point processing of oil seed. I uh, processing of oil seed carried out the following by following operation: cleaning, dehusking, that is removing the husk of seed. It is also called decortication, and size reduction and flaking. Size reduction of operation in order to get proper heat treatment of seed size. Seed should be around 0.13 to 0.25 mm in order to get proper heat treatment. Okay, and heat treatment, it ruptures the cell wall and explosion of air. Okay, and 105 to 130 degree centigrade for 30 to 120 minutes required for heat treatment of seed. Recovery of oil, generally Ghani method is used. It is very traditional method. um, uh, in Ghani, no site reduction, no cooking prior to crushing. The oil allowed to settle for 24 hours. Expeller, the expeller where the oil are passes through expeller, which exert pressure in increasing order due to rotating screw. Okay, so in the expeller use pressure in order to extract the oil. Okay, pressure and heat generated result in drainage of oil from oil seed. The cake is obtained around 5 to 7% of oil. Cake is nothing but it is the lab material of seed after extraction of oil. Okay, pressure solvent extraction technique. This technique generally used for soybean rice bran where oil extraction is less, and oil is first expelled at low pressure from oil. See, the cake often contain more than 8% oil and used in solvent extraction plant. Okay, this is the flowchart of oil extraction method. First portion is seed cleaning and grading. After that, dehulling and decoating, that is removing of husk. After the site, it is a reduction, that is called grading. And after that, conditioning and cooling. After that, two operations can be done. One is it passes through the expeller, or other the solvent extraction. And in case of solvent extraction, we get cake meal, and it is market cake meal for further use for marketing, and it is generally used for animal and poultry feeding purpose. Okay, and oil filtrations, refining. After passing the expeller, oil filtration and refining operation done. After that, packaging of the oil, and after that, marketing of oil. This is the flowchart of oil extraction process. And we have already discussed about that fatty acid, non-fatty acid. Okay, and fatty acid generally divided into two uh, subclass. One is saturated fatty acid, another one is unsaturated fatty acid. In case of saturated fatty acid, CC bond generally 2, and in case of unsaturated fatty acid, CC bond 2 or more than 2. Okay, and in case of non-fatty acid, free fatty acid, free fatty acid is generally depends on moisture, temperature, and pressure. If moisture, temperature, and pressure is more than the required, then uh, free fatty acid is available in oil. Okay, further production of basmati. Following operation are generally carried out for production and purpose of basmati: degumming, naturalization of fatty acid, washing, drying, balancing, filtration, and winterization. It is a refining process. It is generally done by cold ethanol to remove oxes, lipids, and chlorophyll. Deodorization, it is remove the free fatty acid and water at temperature 210 to 274 degrees centigrade. After that, hydrogenations use by hydrogen gas in order to prevent the oxidation of oil. Further neutralization are done. After that, balancing, and in order to remove residues uh, such as crude oil, mm, and tempering, and in vegetable oil in order to um, adding the flavor, and after that get vegetable fats. Okay, come to the next slide. Ground nut processing. Ground nut processing operation generally carried out by the steeping operation, and it is the operation that used to remove all cover of seed. After the grading, grading according to size of the seed, and after that drying carried out. After that, decortication, that is the removing of husk. After the storage, of groundnut oil, generally uh, done in or storage of groundnut generally done around temperature of 30 degrees centigrade and humidity below 65%. Storage before of oil extraction is more than temperature and humidity. It may cause oxidation and attack by fungi. Fungi can damage our liver. So this is very important operation for safety point of view. Control of an aflatoxin, aspergillus fungus, flavus fungi are generally removed by this operation. The treatment is used with 5% HCl and 6% hydrogen peroxide for 0.5 hours at 80-degree temperature. Okay, and after that oil expressions are carried out. Okay, in case of soybean processing, following operation generally carried out: threshing, this is the process of removing the grain from the plant. um, After that, cleaning come grading, and after that, drying. After the seed treatment process are carried out. Seed treatment process are generally carried out by using chemical. And soybean has around 40% protein and 20% oil. So dehulling, generally dehulling is carried out by rotary concave type, hand binder, manually operated, power operated, cylinder concave type machine. Okay. After that, balancing by uh, boiling the seed in water for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, milling, flaking. After the storage in bag at temperature 20 degree centigrade. After that, oil extraction carried out. Okay, these are the operation of soybean processing. Okay. And rapeseed and mustard. The following operation are carried out for extract the mustard and rapeseed oil. And drying first, after the cleaning and grading, after the storage, keep in earthen pot, tar in that polyethylene, bamboo bean, bamboo cement bean, metal bean. After that, oil extraction carried out, and cake utilizations for further extraction of oil and storage of oil. Some sunflower processing. In this sunflower processing, generally threshing operation carried out. After that, cleaning, grading operation carried out. After that, drying is generally carried out with thickness of 30 to 40 mm. After that, storage, earthen pitcher and gunny plastic bag and plastic container generally used for storage purpose of sunflower. After that, dehulling carried out. After that, oil extraction carried out, and finally production of great meal. Great meal are the carried out generally condition at 60% moisture content and 65% temperature basis. After that, dehulling and oil extraction, left cake treating, and remove oil from cake by using 70% ethanol. After that, we get grit meal. Okay, so in order to get grit meal, we have to done conditioning, dehulling, oil extraction, this process. Okay, and sunflower processing. And furthermore, sunflower generally contain 30 to 35 to 45 oil. Okay, and sunflower processing. In this sunflower processing, following operation are generally carried out. Threshing. Threshing is generally carried out by Rasbar type grain thresher, dish type thresher, hand thresher. Okay, and after that drying at moisture content level 7 to 9%. After the cleaning and grading, air drying at temperature 110 degrees centigrade. After the steaming drying at 130 degree centigrade, carried out. Okay, after the decortications, that is removing of husk, are carried out. After that, oil extraction, general oil extracted by rose down makes oil expeller. And after that, storage and packaging of oil in glass and plastic bottle for 1 year. Okay, and castor oil extraction. Castor oil extraction process, oil having 90% in linoleic acid, acid, 18 fatty acid, HO fatty acid, manufactured LICANA and K, used in cosmetic, pharmaceutical, plasticizer, DCO on castor oil for non-yielding and color retention properties. Sebacic acid, manufacturing of nylon, 610 plasticizers, jet lubricants, etc. 2-octanol plasticizers and anti-foaming agent and as a solvent. Sodium carbonate to use to free fatty acid content, balancing with earth and carbon, and deodorization to remove odor and color. Okay, so this is the castor oil seed operation, and after that linseed operation. Linseed storage at a temperature at a room temperature, and gunny bags and earthen pitcher generally used. Immature linseed contain linaceous enzyme which release prussic acid from glucoside, linamacin which can poison cattle feed. So never be feed immature linseed cattle because it is toxic. And so thank you listening me.